Meaning of glaze.
glaze,
Glaze.
glaze,
Glaze. Glaze has a few different meanings depending on the context, but generally it refers to a thin, glossy coating that is applied to the surface of an object. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, such as painting or firing in a kiln. The result of glazing is a smooth, reflective finish that is often used on ceramics, pottery, and even baked goods like donuts. Glazing can also refer to a type of icing used on certain desserts, which provides a sweet and shiny coating. Overall, glaze is a technique used to enhance the appearance and overall quality of various objects.